BJN has always been the first introduction to homeopathy for me, and even till date I'm reading only books by BJN. I'm using Radar by BJN. So BJN is homeopathy and homeopathy is me. So BJN is me.
When I started studying homeopathy 20 years ago, the first box of books arrived, and it was this amazing adventure unpacking all the books, and they were from India. And yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I've known you for a very, very long time.
For more than 4 decades, the BJN Group has been synonymous with quality in homeopathy. A whole generation of homeopaths that grew on the comprehensive BJN books has now begun to gracefully pass the baton to the younger lot. The group has meanwhile grown to an international brand, having a name in periodicals, books, IT, seminars, pharmaceuticals, and of course the common thread in all of these, homeopathy. This small presentation tracks the amazing journey that the BJN Group has undertaken in these 45 years. We round it up with a peek into the BJN's latest pharma unit and try to understand what makes BJN's homeopathic remedies the best the world can offer. BJN Group's foundation was laid in 1966 when Mr. P.N. Jain, a typist who used to type homeopathic teachers' notes in his extra time, also started typing out of copyright homeopathic books during nights to make a little extra money for his family. His books were available at incredibly low prices. This was sure to bring a homeopathic revolution in India. Mr. Jain's day-night efforts and the support of his wife, Mrs. Bimla Jain, soon took the form of B. Jain Publishing Company. The industry supported Mr. Jain with full swing as it recognized his intentions and capabilities. Working closely with the senior-most doctors of the field, B. Jain started publishing more and more books, crossing the mark of 100 titles in just 4 years. B. Jain had by now become a name well-versed by all homeopaths. Appreciative of Mr. Jain's contribution to homeopathy, he was awarded an honorary doctorate of the Open International University for Complementary Medicines. B. Jain also gave a platform to the Indian doctors by publishing their books and making them available across the world. While homeopathy was gradually taking roots in India and elsewhere, Mr. Jain realized most of the homeopaths were working in isolation, as there was no trustworthy medium of sharing technical findings with others in the fraternity. This gave birth to the first dedicated journal of homeopathy, the Homeopathic Heritage. This journal is the oldest homeopathic journal published till date without any break.
BJN is a legend in this century, and I think so BJN was a legend in the previous century also.
I think BJN is something which makes books really accessible to young students, young homeopaths, and I think that's really essential for us right now to get more knowledge before we start our career into homeopathy. So I really thank BJN for that.
Meanwhile, Mr. Kuldeep Jain, son of Dr. P.N. Jain, joined the group in 1976. His vision gave a new direction to the group. He proactively exposed the group's Indian publications to various fora on one hand, while acquiring newer international publications on the other. Under his leadership, the group became a new hope for the homeopaths globally, as it gave a new life to many titles that had become rare. Today, the B. Jain Group takes pride in having an experienced and highly qualified team of doctors and editors who work hard to bring out the most informative books. They are backed by an equally capable design team that makes the work of the authors presentable and reader-friendly. B. Jain has its own printing press, which has been awarded the 4th National Award for Excellence in Printing. BJan's books today are not limited just to homeopathy, but also cover many other topics. With a strong insight, the group developed into the homeopathic industry. It gradually diversified into other allied fields as well. In 1993, the group started distributing the Radar homeopathic software in Asia. Today, Radar Opus is the most advanced and user-friendly homeopathic software and is being used by maximum number of successful homeopaths around the world.
Of course, Radar is one of the best software in homeopathy. Only today morning, one of the students was asking me about, he was planning to buy. I told him outrightly, I am using Radar over 10 years time now. So Radar is of course best.
It is very interesting and it is very useful for the we people, because it is a ready-made, rather reckoner, I will say.
In the year 2004, the group started Center of Advanced Studies in Homeopathy, or CASH, a no-profit, no-loss organization that conducts a series of seminars and workshops for propagation of homeopathy. Constantly keeping in touch with the industry made Mr. Jain realize that in spite of having the largest number of doctors and patients, the people at large still had the preference for the foreign-made medicines.
BJan is connected with homeopathy for the last 40 years. We had a chance to visit to number of seminars in India and international level. A lot of people, they were demanding for good remedies. It was not very easy. And they asked to BJan why you cannot produce remedies in India. We were connected with our books, with all the teachers, and we thought that we could do that. It's not difficult. What you need? A right remedy, right production, right material. We start working on this with the help of my good teachers, good team, those that have been experienced for the manufacturing remedies, and they really help us. I'm very grateful to my all homeopaths around the world. Those have helped me to create an environment where we can produce right remedies in homeopathy.
At the very outset, BJan decided to concentrate on quality. Best available staff from across the world was selected and hired for the project. In the first year of production itself, the company acquired both Indian and Canadian GMPs. GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices, is an internationally recognized comprehensive benchmark for quality assurance in medicine production. It covers everything from architecture, machines, raw materials, procedures to training. BJan has taken special care to have the entire plant constructed as per GMP norms. Strict cleanliness and access control is maintained in the sections where medicines are prepared. The entire plant is centrally air-conditioned. All entrances to the plant have air curtains. The water used in the plant is sourced from its in-house RO-cum demineralization unit. Following the GMP standards in letter and spirit, raw materials, whether plant, animal or chemical based, are all obtained from trustworthy sources. Herbs are procured from original sources located wherever ideal agroclimatic conditions can be found.
Can't even think of any other books except BJan. And now, of course, in medicines, I can rely on their quality. I know it's great quality.
We visit today your Jain co-manufactory. Our experience was very great. It's so good, so clean. So I can't explain you this. I have no word.
Before the actual medicine production starts, the herbs have to go through the quality control section. The section conducts detailed standardization tests on them to identify and isolate adulterants. These tests include organoleptic studies, macroscopic, microscopic observation, and TLC. It has been observed that there are many cheap spurious herbs available in the markets that look very similar to the actual herb. After acceptance, the herbs are cleaned and sent for maceration or percolation, depending on the class to which the herb belongs. The maceration is carried out for 21 days with regular stirring and record maintenance of all the steps to enable back tracing whenever required. The macerated constituents are then subjected to hydraulic pressure, which helps in extraction of maximum phytochemicals from the solids. The obtained mixture is then passed through a 9-layer filtration process. The resulting liquid is then aged to produce a high-quality mother tincture. Aging involves keeping the liquid unstirred and unmoved for days. One more filtration and the mother tincture is ready. This mother tincture is the base of all medicines prepared using the herb. But it has to once again pass through quality checks before it is ready for use in medicines. The finished mother tincture is then tested for the TLC, total solids, to ensure that all alkaloids are extracted properly. pH, percentage of alcohol, microbiological testing, weight per ml, and UV spectrophotometer analysis. The results are matched with the various international standards. In cases where no standards are present or the standards are outdated, BJAN is developing its own in-house standards, which can then work as future references to assure consistent quality time and again.
The aging mechanism of BJAN is an excellent thing, because in many of the pharmaceutical companies we are getting sedimentation after 1 month taking, after keeping it in the hot or room climate, we are getting sedimentation, but in BJAN products we are not getting.
BJAN अब medicines में भी आ गया है, tinctures में भी आ गया है, so I'm very happy to know that they are now progressing ahead. And BJAN is such a renowned institution, I would say, that any homeopathic doctor, like aankh band karke, they can believe that yes, it is BJAN and we have to go to BJAN for anything we want in homeopathy. So homeopathy is progressing as well as BJAN is progressing. I'm very happy about it.
The mother tincture thus prepared is then sent to the dilution section for potentizing. The plant uses the most advanced K-tronic potentizer. This potentizer is more accurate than any other potentizer made so far. To maintain its high accuracy of 99.6%, it is calibrated every 6 months by the parent company. The packaging material at BJAN has been designed and made after a thorough research. For example, the dropping system and the cap have been accepted after about a year of research and are 100% leak-proof.
The dropping system is fantastic, no wastage at all, which I find in other droppers. Exactly the number of drops that you would like to put in, 10 or 20 depending on your dram size. You can put the exact amount of medicine without a single drop getting wasted. So that itself is a fantastic one. You save your time, you save your money, and you save your medicine too. Thank you.
So I think that BJAN is producing very quality products. I personally met their pharmacy and I found that the way in which they are keeping up the hygienic measures and sanitation and preparation of the medicines, it is really very, very appreciable.
The tablet section of BJAN is another only one-of-its-kind unit where the premium quality tablets are made. BJAN follows the detailed and more accurate Hahnemannian method of trituration, which is achieved with the help of latest equipment. According to which, 1 part of medicine is mixed with 9 parts of lactose and then triturated in 3 sets of 20 minutes each. The first samples of every batch are tested for quality control, including friability, DT, and weight variation.
already started using the biochemic products, and I'm very happy to inform that the results are too good.
This is Dr. Brian Kaplan standing outside the Taj Mahal in Agra, India. I've also visited the pharmaceutical plant of B-Jain, where they are creating and manufacturing homeopathic medicines of the highest quality. Homeopathic medicine will survive. My tour of India absolutely confirms this.
This is the syrup section of the plant. Manufacturing syrups is a highly specialized job, as syrups are sugar-based and tend to get contaminated if proper care is not taken. To get the highest quality syrups without any contamination, all syrups are made at a one-line unit where the contents are added at one point. All processes including base preparation, mixing and filtration are done without any human intervention. The filtered product, after immediate quality control approvals, is bottled and labelled at the same one-line system. The globules section is another well-equipped department of the unit. It makes international quality globules for Indian and export markets. The quality control department is a modern laboratory equipped with the advanced equipment and experienced chemists. The department, apart from checking samples at every stage, also checks and passes the labels. The department also maintains the control samples of all batches for all the products being made from day one of the manufacturing of the company. The QC department is also entrusted with detecting and preventing contamination in the production area. For this, the department conducts microbiological testing from time to time in the production area.
क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इनका फैक्ट्री में बहुत अच्छा है। मैंने खुद विज़िट किया है और देखा है कि कैसे इंटरनेशनल स्टैंड से ये दवाइयाँ बना रहे हैं, और मैंने अपनी पर्सनल प्रैक्टिस में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ये दवाइयाँ, और आई होप कि लोग भी इनको पसंद कर रहे हैं। और साथ में ये मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि इनका जो मेथड ऑफ मेकिंग मेडिसिन है वो यूनिक है, और हमारे इधर हिंदुस्तान में जो भी मेडिसिन्स और बन रही हैं उनसे भी सबसे बेटर तरीके से जो बनाया जा रहा है और बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट और इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड से बनाया जा रहा है।
The huge warehouse maintains a minimum stock of all the medicines for timely delivery and has a checking department for approval of orders before final dispatches. It is the passion and attention to detail behind this plant that makes every medicine coming out of it special. B-Jain has launched 41 biochemic and bio combinations, 200 mother tinctures, 250 dilutions, and 17 specialty products in the very first year of its launch. Many more are being added every year. Thanks to the quality of medicines, B-Jain entered the international market within a year of going into production. Today, B-Jain medicines are available in Canada and would soon be launched in rest of Asia and South America. This high-quality plant is B-Jain's gift to the homeopathic fraternity, of which B-Jain has been a part for more than 40 years. Dr. P.N. Jain had dreamt to make homeopathy a household name in India, and B-Jain is working towards making his dream a reality.
I have seen B. Jain from 1977 when I was a student of homeopathy. At that time, the availability of literature to study homeopathy was very limited. They made the literature available to the Indian homeopaths at a very competitive price. They brought the Radar, a Belgium software here, and that has also become very popular. I think this their pharmaceutical venture will also bring quality medicines at an affordable price to the public, so that the Indian population will definitely get benefited.
I have been working with B. Jain Publishing Company for these 20 years. We are very, very happy that this company has published books in Spanish and in English and in other languages, very good books for the homeopathic community, for Mexico and for many, many countries. And now they are manufacturing also good homeopathic remedies at a very good cost. B. Jain is like the homeopathy in Mexico.